Bakit nga ba ganun? Yung taong wala namang ginawa kundi mahalin ka, siya pa yung iniwan. Yung laging nandyan, pero kailanman hindi pinili. Some say time heals, but for some people, time only reminds them of what hurts. But there's a place where you don't need closure to move forward, where healing doesn't mean crying alone, but laughing louder. Dito sa Ganbei Lounge Bar, you won't be left hanging, not by people, not by food. Try the juicy patty burger, as filling as the love you deserve. Buttered oysters, soft, rich, and totally not like your last relationship. Kasi may mga bagay na masarap kahit solo ka lang. And the sisig, sizzling, flavorful, and always present, unlike yung bigla ka nalang ginost. In the mood for something clear, the Soju Aqua Blue, kasing linaw ng dapat matagal mo nang nakita. Singapore Sling, kasing tapang ng taong piniling mahalin ang sarili niya. Or just go classic with Banayad by Pidol, a gentle reminder that not everything has to be strong to hit deep. May VIP karaoke rin sila para mailabas mo lahat ng nararamdaman mo. And yes, you can book the whole space too for birthdays, reunions, events, or just celebrating you. Ganbei Lounge Bar isn't just a bar. It's where memories begin, where healing happens, and where you're always welcome.